1, 2, 3. Oh my Buddha. Fuck me.
ขับรถให้มันดีๆนะ
No. อย่าเริ่ม Wow. รังสวยมาก It's 7:45 and you are about to see what had happened yesterday. What I can tell you is it wouldn't be cheap. We got a broken light, broken signal light. They scratched the side and I don't really know. Hi. You know, yesterday at the night when I was riding, right, I thought it won't be dark until like 7 o'clock. So I thought about I can arrive this place like 7, but the fact is around 5:45 the sky is already getting dark, and about 6 o'clock it is completely dark. And I made a mistake for while I was riding. I actually looked down for the cell phone for navigation because of some Google issue. So I'm pretty sure this time, I forgot to mention the mirrors. This time I'm for sure I will ask for a phone holder for the navigation. So now my plan is drive 2 hours back to replace another bike and buy some medical stuff. I can buy it here, but I just believe to change a bike would be a better choice because I don't know whether it will break off in the middle of the road. And also I want a bigger bike so it can hold more stuff. Okay, it takes me less than 2 hours to arrive this shop. And I gotta be honest, in the daytime, the road to drive back is not that difficult. It's actually quite easy and the view is also beautiful. And supposedly I want to rent this new bike, but the price is actually more expensive than Phuket, so I decided I will take this one instead. It's also a good bike because I can put my bag here, and the luggage area, it is relatively much wider. So right now, what I need to know is how much that bike will cost me. Right next to the shop, there is a repair shop. Okay, since they are checking the bike, I am just gonna take this one to the pharmacy to do some shopping. Okay, we have arrived from pharmacy. I'm not sure if we can pay for it. Hello, Barbara. ตอนนี้อยู่ pharmacy แล้ว
คอมแพชเอาไหม
Okay, I am buying everything.
คอมแพช
This time we have a ใหญ่มาก
Headline is Thai baht. 1,050 Thai baht.
Yeah.
Okay. And then this one.
2,270 baht plus 130,000 kip. I would say that. Same place, different bike, and it's 1 p.m. I suppose maybe tonight I will stay in this area because otherwise we have to again ride at night. But กินข้าวได้ยัง
แล้วกินข้าวยัง
ไม่
ทำไม
ไม่มีเวลา
ก็กิน
ขับรถใกล้ไปกับ200 กิโลเมตร
200
กิโลเมตร
200 กิโลเหรอ
สู้ๆถึงว่าราคาเท่าไหร่
เท่าไหร่
ให้เขียวว่า
10,000
10,000
นับไปหอบตัวนี่เลยจริง
ก็แล้วเจ็บ
อันนี้ไม่เจ็บแล้วเพราะว่าอันเจ็บนะ
สู้
เอาเบาๆก่อนนะเจ็บไหม
ๆเจ็บมาก
เพราะว่าแอลกอฮอล์
With everything almost settled, we are about to จับไปไหน
ไม่รู้กลับปะ
After the patch, I kind of feeling pain right now, so we decided to stay here for one more night, but change the hotel because that hotel, I mean, the owner is pretty nice. She gave me a lot of treatment, I mean, stuff for treatment without charge. And the problem is that the room doesn't have Wi-Fi, and the room is pretty cheap, like 65 CNY yuan. Actually, here cost, I mean, it also cost only 65 CNY yuan, but because the room over there they are fully booked, so we changed to this room. This one cost 2 times higher, but still 135, and the view. There you have it. ทำอะไรเอานี่อันนี้อะอยากกินไม่เอาเลื่อนไปอาม่าแค่นี้มานี้ Oh my Buddha! So cool.